Hey there, Srini here. Per the blog post, I just wanted to add a quick note here on how I actually use the concept of progressive summarization in one of my Notion book notes. So, what you see here is this is a book called All In by Robert Bruce Shaw. It's about basically how you have to take, obsession. So, I try to come up with some sort of basic premise, but the real purpose of having a summary here at the top is so that I can quickly go through a source and make reference to it and say, okay, like what does it take? What is this book about? What's the gist of it without having to go into the details? Now, obviously, I like having the details because I want to be able to reference this stuff. But you can see here that I followed some of the concepts of progressive summarization. So the bold things are the ones that are my layer twos. The highlights are my layer three. So the highlights made in a summary. Um, and so one other thing that Tiago says is to you actually, summarize a note every time you go through it. So this is like the basic concept of progressive summarization. As you'll see here, basically what I do is I take the table of contents of the book, basically create it, and then go through all the things that I've highlighted and underlined, and I pull them in here. So this is just a basic high-level overview of how you would do a progressive summarization. So again, layer one is just everything that you capture. Layer two is the stuff that you bold, and then layer three is the stuff that you highlight.